Hey y'all, it's cold outside. So today we're going to be doing instant pot roast. One of my favorites, and I've made them many times. My youngest son Kai is filming this time, so stay tuned. It's going to get interesting. And I did leave all the bloopers in too. So stay tuned. The recipe will be down below.
So it's been snowing, and it's been below freezing. And I'll show you some of the ingredients. You can take a look at those, and then I'll leave all the ingredients in the recipe down below. This is gonna be a fun cook. Hey guys, we're back. We're gonna take our pot roast, and I'm gonna go ahead and liberally cover it with flour on each side. We've got our Instant Pot turned to saute. That's in saute mode. And then we're just gonna throw this on. Let it brown on all sides. It's gonna be sauteing. All we're gonna do is brown. So the only thing you're looking to do right now, you take your beef, you brown it up, and we did add some salt and pepper and a little bit of paprika, about a teaspoon of each to the flour mix. We go ahead and brown it up. You get that fond, those little brown bits. What we're gonna do is add some beef broth, kind of stir that up and mix it up. And there goes the beef broth. I'm gonna add about maybe a third cup or so. I'm gonna mix those up, pull those out at the bottom of the pot, and we're still on saute mode, so we're still sauteing stuff. Next thing we're gonna do is add our onions and garlic. So there's a full chopped onion and minced garlic. So it's about 4 cloves of garlic. If you like garlic, if you like less, use less. If you like more, use more. You want to stir that around the pot until that actually kind of settles out, caramelizes a little bit. We're still on saute mode. You can kind of eyeball some of these measurements, but what I'm doing is about a teaspoon and a half of ground black pepper and a cup and a half of beef broth, because we do want it to steep and we do want it to braise in the Instant Pot. We got the pot roast back in. I'm going to go ahead and add our 2 to 3 stalks of celery. And it gives a great flavor too. And very next up are our spices. So we're going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon or more of smoked paprika. Didn't have much oregano left, so I added about a teaspoon of that. I mean, you can season it with whatever you want. I chose to throw some basil leaves in. There's a dry basil leaves, about a teaspoon of that as well. Next up, Worcestershire sauce. And I think that's how it's pronounced. I'm not quite sure. But about a tablespoon of Worcestershire. I love pepperoncinis, so I'm gonna dice up just a couple. Normally add a whole bunch more, but they're really good with pot roast. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those and then seal it up. And what we're looking to do here, set it to sealing and 30 minutes. here's what we got. We got our pot roast in there. It's cooking away. Just released it. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cornstarch. A cornstarch slurry that I made. Thicken up the gravy. A tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of water. Go ahead and add our potatoes. And then let's add our mushrooms and our carrots.
Don't worry.
And the peas. And some peas. That's probably about good. That's about a cup worth of peas. And we're going to turn this back on. So I got to stir it up. Alright, I'm going to have to cut that. And then back on. Cut. Yeah.
What happens if you pull it out before the metal
You
thing
can't.
pops?
There we go. I think once it drops. Oh, nice. I didn't film that. All right, so here we are. We're gonna give it a taste test. It's juicy, it's hot, and it should be really good. Perfect. Pickles barbecue. If I can do it, you can too. This is super simple and so good. Pickles out. Pickles out. Pickles out. Pickles out.